Hi there, students. Authentic. Authentic, an adjective. Authentically, the adverb. Authenticity, the noun. And we've even got a verb to authenticate. So let's see, if something is authentic, it's the real thing. It's the real McCoy. It's what people say it is. It really is that. Um, so this is an authentic signature of Queen Elizabeth I. This restaurant serves authentic Indian food. Okay, they make the curry powder themselves. Yeah. Um, okay, so authentic, the real thing. Then to authenticate, to prove that something is real, to prove that it is true. So people claim that this picture was painted by Rembrandt, but I need some experts to authenticate it, to say that it's the real thing. You could use carbon dating to authenticate the date that something was made. Okay, so something that's authentic, its origin is genuine. It's not a copy. It's the original. It comes from where it comes from. This is an authentic manuscript written by I Swear English. Then you can use authentic meaning as well, made in the traditional way, made in the original way, something that is copies faithfully. So authentic Italian food, yeah, made in the same way. Yeah, I believe there is a place in the south of Spain that serves authentic English breakfasts with everything from the UK, even the baked beans. Okay, something that's authentic is based on facts, it's reliable. This is an authentic representation of what is happening. Yeah, there is no doubt as to the authenticity of this signature. Okay, so to authenticate, to prove that something is true, to prove that it's real. So when you want access to your email account, you need to authenticate it to prove that it's you who's trying to get in. So this is an authentic experience. Yeah, if you go to this restaurant, you will have an authentic experience because the restaurant has an authentic feel, and the food has an authentic taste because they use authentic ingredients, the real thing. Okay, so authentic, yeah, the real McCoy, something that is genuine. Yeah, an authentic emotion, not something faked. So, can you tell the difference between a real smile and a fake smile? Well, someone told me the other day a really good way to tell the difference is how long the smile lasts. If there's a big smile and then it slowly fades, that's real. But if it goes and disappears, that's not authentic. And that's how to tell the authenticity of a smile. So authentic, genuine, real, it's the veritable thing. Okay, so this is authentic. It's it's the real thing. It's real. It's original. It's true. Um, okay, so they restored the building to put it as it to make it look authentic. Yeah. That if you're going to lie, then the best thing to do is to use authentic details. Okay, to authenticate, to prove. So your signature should authenticate your identity. Mind you, nowadays, who knows? Okay, so to authenticate, to make authentic, to give authority, to prove that it's true, to prove that it's real. Yeah. And then authentic, genuine, the original thing. It's the same as reality. It's authentic. So formality, authentic. 5, informality, use anywhere. Authenticate. 6, informality, use anywhere. And then as to origin, this comes through French, authentique, from Latin authenticus, from ancient Greek authentikos, principle or genuine, which itself comes from ancient Greek authentes, the lord, the master, the original, the owner. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Authentic, authenticate.